Welcome back to Standard 5th Mathematics Digital class. Let's continue lesson number 8, multiples and factors. In previous videos, we have learned about multiples and factors and difference between them. And we have also learned about tests for divisibility for 2, 5 and 10. We have taken some examples from practice set 33. So let's continue next concept. Today we will solve problem set 33. Question number 3. A ribbon is 3 meter long, can be cut into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over. Write the reason why or why not. While solving this word problem, first we have to write down the given things. Here in this example, length of ribbon is given 3 meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Why we have converted this meter into centimeter? Because we have to cut this ribbon into 50 centimeter pieces. And here length of ribbon is given in meter. So while solving the sum, we required both quantities equal. So here we have converted 3 meter into 300 centimeter. Now cut this ribbon, 300 centimeter ribbon, into 50 centimeter pieces. Cut 300 centimeter ribbon into 50 centimeter pieces. It is also given in the example. For that, we have to divide 300 by 50 centimeter because total length is 300 centimeter and one piece length we want 50 centimeter. Now divide this 300 by 50. We know the table of 5 but we don't know the table of 50. So for that 5 6 are 30. It means 50 into 6 we get 300. So 56 are 300 and the remainder is 0. When we divide 300 by 50, we get quotient 6. It means 6 centimeter pieces we get. We can make 6 centimeter pieces of 3 meter ribbon because the remainder is 0. Means nothing left over. Understood this example? Now we will solve question number 4. A ribbon is 3 meter long. I need 8 pieces of ribbon, each 40 centimeter long. How many centimeter shorter is the ribbon that the length I need? So here also length of ribbon is given 3 meter. That means 300 centimeter. And we need 8 pieces of ribbon and length of each piece of ribbon we want 40 centimeter. So here we have written one piece of ribbon is equal to 40 centimeter. Total number of pieces we want 8. So 8 pieces of ribbon, how we will find? One piece of ribbon given 40 centimeter. So 8 piece of ribbon is equal to 40 multiplied by 8 is equal to 320 centimeter. Now compare the length of given ribbon and length of required ribbon. First we will write length of given ribbon, that is 300 centimeter. and now required ribbon should be 320 centimeter. So uh, which length is greater and which one is smaller? Given ribbon is smaller than required ribbon. So first we have to find out difference between them. 320 minus 300, we get 20 centimeter. So how much centimeter ribbon we required? 20 centimeter. So the given ribbon is 20 centimeter shorter than the length I need. Write down answer. The given ribbon is 20 centimeter shorter than length I need. Now we will solve question number 5. If the number given in the table is divisible by the given divisor, put tick mark in the box. If it is not divisible by the divisor, put cross in the box. Observe the table. Here divisors are given and numbers are given. So here you have to use divisibility test. First number is 15. Now you have to find out 15 is completely divisible by 2 or not, or 2 is the divisor of 15 or not. Remember the divisibility test for 2. If there is a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place, then that number is multiple of 2 or it is completely divisible by 2. Observe the unit place. Here 5 is there. So 15 is not divisible by 2. So give cross mark. Now we have to find out 15 is divisible by 5 or not. Remember the divisibility test for 5. If any number has 0 or 5 in the unit place, then that number is multiple of 5 or it is divisible by 5. Observe the unit place of this number. It has 5. So 15 is divisible by 5. So put tick mark here. Now we have to find out 10 is divisor of 15 or not. Remember the divisibility test for 10. If any number has 0 in the unit place, then that number is multiple of 10 or is divisible by 10. Observe the unit place. Here 0 is not there. So 15 is not divisible by 10 or 10 is not a divisor of 15. So put cross mark. In this way, we have to find out the number 30 is multiple of 2 or not. Observe the unit place. There is a 0. Yes. So 30 is divisible by 2. Again, we have to find out 5 is divisor of 30 or not. Observe the unit place. There is 0. So it is divisible by 5. So put tick mark. There is a 0 in the unit place. So it is also divisible by 10. So put tick mark. Next 34. Observe the unit place. There is a 4. It is divisible by 2. But it is not divisible by 5 because there is 4 in the unit place. This number does not have 5 or 0 in the unit place. So it is not divisible by 5. And there is no 0 in the unit place. So it is not divisible by 10 also. Now 46. Yes, it is divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 10. Now this example 5. It is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 10. Now the remaining examples you have to solve of your own. Today we have learned problem set 33, question number 3, 4 and 5. Remaining concept we will learn in next video. Thank you.